Hi pa daw mga kabalen! Good day mga ka-TopPick! Talaga namang pang world class ang ganda, talento at talino ng mga Kapampangan. And syempre, isang patunay dyan dahil isa na namang kabalen natin ng sasabak sa International Beauty Pageant stage. Magipagkwentuhan tayo kay Alyanna Joelle Santos dahil lalaban po siya sa Miss Filipina International Pageant. Magandang araw sa iyo, AJ!
Hello pa!
Can you tell us more about yourself? Ikaw ba ay nag-aaral pa, AJ?
Yes, I'm actually still a full-time student at the Cal State University of Northridge. I'm from Van Nuys, and so it's only like 10-15 minutes from me. And
Yes.
I'm majoring in business marketing po.
Where are you tracing your roots here in Pampanga? Taga saan ka if you're going home here in Pampanga?
I'm from San Fernando City po.
Ayan, talagang mga taga San Fernando, talagang parang dyan natin naninirahan yung mga magaganda talaga at matatalino ha. Pero who encouraged you to join beauty pageants? And pang ilang beauty pageant mo na ba ito, AJ?
So this is going to be my second pageant, and funny enough po, my mom was the one who got me into doing beauty pageants. Initially, I didn't know anything about it, and I was more into sports when I was in middle school po. And so I was more like tomboy, and I wasn't in tune with the whole beauty pageant thing. And so, yeah, she's the one that got me into it.
Okay, pero gusto ko malaman, AJ, noong patomboy-tomboy, medyo boys ka, ano bang sports ang nilalaro mo noon, gino-join mo noon, AJ?
I was in track and field, basketball, and volleyball po.
Okay, ito. Paano ka nag-transform, AJ? Usually kapag track and field or ibang sports na talagang nasa sikat ng araw yan. Tapos medyo baka may muscles ka pa sa kamay tsaka sa binti. Paano ang naging transformation? Sino ang tumulong sa pag-transform mo into a beauty queen?
It was definitely a personal transformation po, kasi I had to take what I learned from athletics and apply it to this whole pageantry. Of course, with the help of my mom po, and along the way from my first pageant, we met a good foundation of people who were very supportive of that journey. And so all throughout, like, they helped me be more in tune with what it meant to be in a pageant.
Okay. Parang you are telling me, AJ, na parang sa mga nais talaga mag-beauty pageant, boys ka noon, o mukhang parang hindi ka ready for the pageant, it's not too late kasi may time pa talaga dahil may mga taong tutulong sa'yo kung interesado kang sumali sa mga ganito.
Opo, most definitely. And of course, something that I think we don't recognize sometimes po is that it's okay to ask for help, especially in things that we're not familiar with, because we never know where it's gonna take us.
Okay. And ito papaano ka naman nakapasok dito sa Miss Filipina International Pageant? Paano ka nag-apply dito?
I actually had some friends who competed prior years, and so I already kind of was familiar with the pageant. And so with their promotions online, I was seeing it nonstop. And then people from their team were also reaching out to my mom and just asking if I was interested. And because of their rebranding, which was to really empower women, it was perfect. And so that's why for this pageant, I really wanted to join and be a part of it.
And AJ, ang mga Filipina, they are very well known in national and international pageants as well. And syempre, ang mga Kapampangan hindi magpapahuli dyan. We have beauty queens from Pampanga naman. And sa palagay mo, ano ba ang meron sa mga Kapampangan na talaga namang nakakabilib, nakakamanghat, na siyang dahilan bakit sila napipili sa ganitong mga competitions?
I believe we have a very different charm. And of course, like along with the beauty that we have, we're also very knowledgeable and we think very differently. You know what I mean? And so with those two combined, it creates something that's very very attracting to people. And so I think that's why they're so drawn to us, because we just possess all these qualities. And it's not like overpowering one another. It's just a great balance.
Can you share to us those inspirational beauty queens that you look after to right now?
Of course po. One very prominent one is Catriona Gray po. Kasi I feel like she has just been, what her advocacy is very in line with what I am standing for in pageantry. She was a strong advocate for women's rights and just women's representation. And just her resilience and her confidence is just super inspiring to me po. And I just hope that I will one day reach that level and hopefully exceed it as well.
Well, how are you preparing for the Miss Filipina International Pageant right now, AJ?
A lot of people think it's super like extensive and it's our whole life right now. But I realized too that it's very important that we take some time for ourselves. And so I've been spending a lot of time with family, going out with friends. Something new that I'm doing now is just like meditating in the morning po, because it just helps me stay grounded. And yeah, and aside from that, we do have our rehearsals for the actual pageant with the whole team. And I also do set aside time to really work on like my question and answer and as well as my walk.
Okay. AJ, in the future, kung baka sakaling umuwi ka ng Pilipinas, interesado ka bang jumoin naman sa mga pageants dito like Motsaning Kapampangan, Motsaning San Fernando, o baka naman Binibining Pilipinas?
Oh wow. I've definitely looked into it, and I will follow wherever this journey takes me, and I'm open to it, and we'll see where we go from there.
Oo, malay mo, ikaw nang maging susunod na Miss Universe na Pilipina, and at the same time Kapampangan pa. And syempre, AJ, you need all the support that you can get, no? From the States and here from Pampanga and the Philippines. Please invite our viewers na suportahan ka sa iyong laban na ito in any way there can. Go ahead, AJ.
Yes. So the preliminary event will be on August 4th at the Beverly Hilton, and the final coronation night will also be at the Beverly Hilton on August 5th. And I post live updates on my profile, and you can find me on Instagram at Alyanna.Joelle, and that's ALYANNA.JOELLE.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, AJ, sa iyong oras. And syempre, we are praying for you, we are rooting for you, and hopefully you bring home the bacon. O kaya lechon na lang para mas masarap.
Lechon po. Daghang salamat po.
Thank you very much, AJ. Lagi po kayong tumutok sa CLTV 36 para sa latest updates. Samahan niyo ulit ako sa susunod na kwentuhan dito lang sa Jhodie's Top Picks.